I've got this mini round bale, 20 inches by 27 inches, baled with our Terrain mini round baler, and a couple of barrels. I'd like to make some feeders, one for horses and one for goats. When I'm ready and finished, I'll give you a holler and show you what I've done. Okay, we've got the feeder ready, baled with our, the round bale baled with our Terrain mini round baler, the 850 series. All I used for tools was a circular saw, a pencil, and a drill. The opening is 30 inches wide, 20 inches, and it fits the bale for the cattle feeder. It's freestanding, or you can mount it on a barn or a corral. We attached it with some screws and some large washers, and we put drain holes in the bottom. Okay, I made this goat feeder out of this barrel. I put in 4 round holes, 8-inch diameter, and then the mini round bale just fits in the top. You just drop it in, and there you have your goat feeder.